Deus meus hodie magnam pecuniam mihi re ut sufficiat maneat et benedicti usi. This Latin mantra, it means, "My God, today grant me sufficient money that it may be enough, remain, and be a blessing." May God give you what you wish for.